Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So today I'd like to present two different ways, the secret code and the settings. So let's start with the secret code. We have to open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way. We have to open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now we have to scroll down to find proper section, and let me tap on the status. And as you can see, right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.